This project is IoT based underground cable fault detection. Here, hardware connections are Arduino and its daughter board along with power supply, 16:2 LCD display. Wi-Fi module ESP8266 connected to Arduino UART port. Here, buzzer and these relays connected to Arduino digital pins respectively. 12 slide switches connected in series pattern. 4 for R phase, 4 for Y phase and remaining 4 for B phase. These switches for creating fault at different distance locations. Here, resistance will vary if any slide switch will on. Arduino single ADC measures the 3-phase resistance by switching relays from phase to phase. If fault occur at any location, then data will upload to the IoT server. Here we have our own server designed according to our requirement. Initially, we have to create hotspot in our mobile with the name of IoT server and password is IoT server 123. Now we have to open hotspot settings. Here we can see network name IoT server and password IoT server 123. Save. Mobile should have internet through the SIM. Now we can log in server application in this URL. Here URL is projectfactoryserver.in using username and password. Username is IoT33 and password is IoT33. We can name it this according to our requirement. In this URL, we can open in our mobile or laptop. Now we have to open in our mobile. For example, fault at 1 kilometer. R phase fault at occur in 1 kilometer. Here on LCD U means data uploaded into the server. Third switch on. In R phase fault at occur in 3 kilometers. In Y phase, fault occur in 4th kilometers. Now fault occur in B phase 2 kilometers. We have to refresh this page. We can see here R phase, Y phase and B phase fault occur distance with respect to date and time.